Pharmacy, a field that has expanded well beyond dispensing of drugs, has become an important aspect in the management processes and an overall healthcare in India. This mandates the young generation to keep up with the changing times and necessitates the educational institutes to produce clinically and technologically trained professionals to deliver to the rapidly changing world. Parul University has always stayed upbeat with the ever-evolving trends. Providing the students a great opportunity, Parul University of Pharmacy conducted a 2-day international conference which was jointly sponsored by AICTE and Parul University.
I would like to thank Dr. Abhay and Parul University management to organize such a wonderful international conference on pharmacovigilance.
My presentation was about rational use of medicine, where you have, of course, to prescribe or you need as a requirement, also guidelines to do your job as, first of all, interveners in the use of medicine.
This 2-day international conference sponsored by AICTE and Parul University was really good.
Really, pharmacovigilance as well as clinical related research, drug discovery is the need of the hour. It's one of the opportunity for the pharmacists to enroll themselves in the system as well as to develop their career in pharmacovigilance.
The topic chosen for this international conference organized by Parul University, challenges, opportunities and newer directions for pharmacovigilance and clinical pharmacy or clinical trials, is very apt. It is the need of the hour.
Thank you, Abhay, for this invitation to come over to your university and participate in this international conference on clinical pharmacy and pharmacovigilance.
The conference revolved around the theme of pharmacovigilance and clinical research in India. Over 350 delegates from the pharmacy industries and academia attended the conference, comprising from 8 states of India and from 30 different organizations. This conference was graced by the august presence of Professor Dilip N. Malkhere, an advisor in the RIFD Bureau of AICTE New Delhi, who was the guest of honor for the inaugural ceremony.
It was my pleasure to be here and meet with your vibrant faculty and the students and be able to share my views on randomized clinical trials versus pragmatic CT.
I'm very happy to be here and I'm happy to meet a lot of people from different parts of the world, speakers from Africa, speakers from the Indian Pharmacy Council, speakers from Malaysia, speakers from other different universities from India.
So I was evaluating posters and oral presentations here. I was glad to see doctors who are there pursuing their MD in pharmacology giving their presentations in a pharmacy conference. That was very heartening to see.
I think students of this university can do wonders. I have also suggested them to participate in the competitions abroad.
So it was a 2-day conference, international conference organized by Parul University, and it was greatly organized. The speakers came from international levels, and it would be very beneficial for the students in their future.
When I got admission in PharmD, it was the first college pursuing in Gujarat. But now when I visited Parul last year as well as this year, there is a lot of amount of advancement which I have seen in the PharmD sector. And especially visiting the Parul for especially pharmacovigilance conference has been a great experience.
The conference was held for 2 days and we got very great information from various speakers around the world. The information was very related to the drug abuses and the evil practices and the ways to overcome it.
Parul University, with this inaugural event, attempts to give its students the best experience and a pathway to build their careers successfully in the field of pharmacy.